As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Performance, both propane grills, right?
Yeah, exactly. The Weber Q1000 is that compact, portable one, and the Char-Broil is the larger, more traditional cart-style grill.
Right. So size-wise, the Weber has a cooking area of only 189 square inches. It is really small, compared to the Char-Broil, which boasts 550 square inches.
Huge difference. The Char-Broil is definitely for bigger cookouts, and it has 4 burners, each with 10,000 BTUs, plus a side burner. The Weber only has 1 burner at 8,500 BTUs.
Okay. Power and size are clear wins for the Char-Broil. What about materials?
The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. Pretty durable. The Char-Broil uses porcelain-coated steel grates which are rust-resistant. Both seem decent, but cast iron is generally considered superior for heat retention.
Good point. Portability is a big factor too. The Weber weighs only 27.5 pounds, making it easy to take anywhere. The Char-Broil is a hefty 70 pounds.
Yeah, the Char-Broil isn't going anywhere easily, but it does have wheels at least. The Weber is designed for disposable propane cylinders, while the Char-Broil uses a standard 20-pound tank.
What about ignition?
Both have push-button electronic ignition for easy starts. The Char-Broil also has a lid-mounted temperature gauge.
Ah, nice! Anything else that sets them apart?
The Char-Broil has what they call TRU infrared cooking technology, designed to prevent flare-ups and cook food more evenly. It also comes with a chef's delight tray for grilling delicate foods. The Weber is simpler, but you can get a compatible griddle separately.
Okay, so the Weber is super portable and easy to store, while the Char-Broil offers more cooking space, features, and power. Seems like it depends on what you need.
Exactly. Small apartment balcony? Weber. Big backyard and lots of grilling? Char-Broil. Just depends.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.